Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to crochet these super cute granny squares. They're quick and easy for beginners. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also activate the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 and make one single crochet into the ring, chain 2, and this is as the first double crochet, then chain 1 as the chain space and make one double crochet, chain 1 11 times. Make a slip stitch into the second chain from the single crochet right here. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. And another slip stitch into the next space. Pull up a loop like this and yarn over. Insert your hook into the first space and yarn over again. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and insert the hook into the same space and yarn over, pull up a loop, and the last one, yarn over, insert the hook into the same space and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Then chain 3. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next space and make the second loop, the third loop, and the fourth loop. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Then chain 3. Repeat the same pattern all the way around. To end this round, make a slip stitch into the first chain right here. To start round 3, make a slip stitch into the next space. Then chain 3 and the chain 3 as the first double crochet. Then make 3 double crochet into the same space. Chain 3, 4 double crochet into the same space. And this is the first corner. Into the next 2 spaces, make 3 half double crochet, to make the second corner, make 4 double crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochet into the same space, into the next 2 spaces, make 3 half double crochet. And repeat to complete the other 2 sides. Cut the yarn. Now bring your darning needle. Insert the needle under the 2 loops of chain 3. And from the other side, insert the needle into the back loop right here. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.